So recently I made this automatic doggy door. I wanted to let Flower hang out on the balcony whenever she wants, but leaving her sliding window open invites in flies and unconditioned air. Opening it myself all the time is annoying. Hanging a blanket, it looks sloppy, it isn't weather tight, and products in the market I looked at are all designed for exterior doors and screens. So I knew it'd have to be something DIY and unique. I have a bunch of spare parts from old 3D printers, and I was able to salvage a motor and a threaded rod from a broken one. I also got these end stop buttons and found an infrared motion sensor from an old electronics kit, as well as an Arduino microprocessor and breadboard, of which I have several. All I had to buy was a stepper motor driver for $30. Then it was just a matter of figuring out how the system would work, designing the circuit, coding it, and testing it out until it worked with temporary wiring. From there, I designed and 3D printed a bunch of parts to help in mounting it all and controlling the mess of wires. After that came the tedious process of hooking it all up and working out the kinks. For example, this part, which connects the rod to the sliding door, had to be redesigned like 5 times to get a smooth sliding motion that wouldn't stall the motor. Other parts were too small or flimsy, and I collected a good pile of failures. Eventually, it all came together. It works how you might imagine. 2 infrared motion sensors on the inside and outside check to see if anything warm is moving underneath. Any movement will trigger the opening cycle, which will stop when it reaches the end stop here. The system waits 10 seconds for Flower to move through, and then reverses until it hits the other end stop and closes. If any movement is detected while closing, the system goes back to the open cycle and waits another 10 seconds. I'm pretty proud of how it turned out and how tidy it all looks, though there's certainly room for improvement. Flower still hasn't quite got used to it, but she'll get there. That's it from me for now. See ya.